Hi guys, welcome back to Seema's vlogs. If you're all doing great today. In today's vlogs, I'm going to do a hijab tutorial because I got requested to do one in one of my videos. They mentioned to do one, and I actually don't wear a hijab, but I do know how to because I used to do it for people, but I don't actually wear it. I just keep my hair out. So I'm going to do a tutorial specifically for that person. Also, if you're new to my channel, I hope this video helps you too. And if you'd like me to do anything else, do comment below and I will do so as soon as I can. And here's little Alina. She's here to say hi. So today I've got this specific scarf that I had, which I do use for my prayers and all that anyways. So can use it, but it's nice and pretty. It's got like a lace as well, but I don't think I'm gonna use the lace. I don't think I'm gonna. Yes. She's always talking over me, guys. So I don't think I'm gonna use this lace. I might just leave it on the side, probably fold it in or something. So I'm gonna go for like a layered sort of hijab style that I'm going to do this time. But if there's anything else that you want me to do, just comment below and I will do so, because I used to do a lot of different sort of designs, because I used to do a beautician work where I used to do makeup and hairstyles and also hijab styling. I used to do that, but now I don't do it anymore, so I don't really get time to do all that anymore, so I don't do that. So I do know how to do quite a couple, and I'll probably start posting more vlogs, not just on my hairstyles but also of hijabs as well and hijab styles. I will definitely do that so it can help everyone out there, and especially if you're new to my channel, and if you are new and you've specifically come to this vlog, hijab style vlog, then you'd probably really like to see more videos from me on those. So I will definitely do, but first of all you'll have to subscribe to my channel so you'll get updates on when my vlogs are updated and uploaded, so you know and you don't miss them. So let's get started, guys. So I've already put my hair up and I've just tied my hair back, and I'm not using anything else underneath this scarf. I've just folded this, like I said. I'm not going to use the lace on the front. I'm just going to put it in because I don't want to use that. This is what I'm going to do first, because usually when I'm praying I don't even like obviously I don't do my hijab in a style or anything. I just put it over as long as my hair and everything is covered. Don't do anything else. Right, I'm going to first put a safety pin here because I don't want it to come off when I'm trying to do the layers, because I'm gonna do a layered type of hijab style right now. Right, so now what I'm gonna do is usually pick this up and get forward. I don't want to bring the whole scarf forward, it's just my hair. I usually need to wear a cap underneath, but I don't have one right now with me, so that's why. So if your hair is like mine that keeps sliding off the scarves and all, then this is what I'm gonna do. Just literally pull the scarf towards the front and keep adding the layers on. I've seen like a lot of girls do this. I don't know, like some people just like it. I just don't have the time to do all that. So I mean, some girls like they do it for school, college, and a lot of places they just do it because they just like it. And they have a little bit of time as well. So this is what I'm doing, guys. So if you can see, like this, just making a layer there. trying to bring all of them on the top. It's almost finished. When it's done, it looks much more better. While doing it, it's not complete, so it won't. So I'm not one looking in the mirror, I'm literally just looking in the camera, so trying to see as close as I can and as properly as I can. Literally creating all these. And I've reached like the last part, so you literally just continue doing this until you get your desired layers. I mean, you can do less or more, it's all up to you, however you want it. Depends also the size of your scarf, because this scarf was quite big. So here's the layers, if you can see. Those layers. Once it's completely done, you'll see what I'm trying to do, and it'll probably look much better than this right now. So these are the layers like this, and now try to find the end of this. Got it. I'm gonna literally cover this up like this. Okay. And also some people do like decorate it over here as well with like a fancy headband or something, like for a wedding or something. So this hijab style is like, you can wear it every day as well. It doesn't really matter. You can wear it every day or only on occasions. Some people wear it only occasions. So I'm trying to cover the back belt, so I don't want this lace to show. So covering the little part. As you can see, literally the layers, you can see. Yeah. Bring this forward. It's quite a long scarf. It's just I got long hair, so when I'm praying it's just much easier. I don't have to like do a lot. Just like so. Just gonna fix this up now. I'm just gonna now go get a pin and pin this up and then show you the final look. So I have now done my hijab that I wanted to do. I've just put like a safety sort of pin over here, but it's like not meant to be down here, it's meant to be like somewhere over here, so I just put it here. And this is like a really simple sort of one. It's got the layers there, so instead of like wrapping it around the whole like millions of times and having all this is so heavy and all, it's much better to put the layers from back to front and back to front. It's so much easier and makes it feel much lighter. And as it's like, this is like only one way as well, as you can see it's really thin, so even this feels much more better, like front of your neck, and because it feels really wrapped up. Because I know when I didn't know how to do this, it's really simple, but when I didn't know, I used to like just wrap it like 10 times trying to get this layer. The times when I did wear hijabs, like going to mosque and all, when I was a little girl. But now I know, because when I started doing the hijab styling for people as well, it was much more easier. Like I self-taught myself by just watching other people's videos and inspirations and trying things out on myself as well, and that's how I knew. But this is just like really simple and an everyday sort of hijab style as well. I'd say you can wear it every day. Also occasions, like I said, you can add a detail over here, like any sort of headband, fancy one, or from here, which I will definitely make in my next vlog on hijab styling. I'll do a party look hijab style, and then I'll do another hijab styling where I have like flowers over here, like you make flowers with the hijab. I used to do that, so I know how to do it, and I will definitely do it. And I'll also create another hijab look with a headband or something, so you know what I'm trying to say. You'll probably know what I'm trying to say, but if you're still interested in seeing how I do it and see my looks, the way I do it. It may be easier, you may pick it up much faster. Then make sure to click the subscribe button so you get my updates on when my new vlogs will be uploaded. Very soon I will do them, because I've done this as well now, so I will do this. But I hope this helped you. This was very simple and easy. If you have any questions, or if you want me to do anything else as well in my next vlog, like a specific one, not what I'm saying, and you want something totally different, a turban hijab style or something, I don't know, anything, just comment below and I will do so as soon as possible. So this was it for my vlog for today. This was only about my hijab styling vlog. This specific vlog was for nothing else. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye.